Relays used in various equipment significantly affect system reliability and service life. This reference design introduces a method of implementing semiconductor relays to solve the challenges of mechanical relays. Mechanical relays have been widely used for switching in various equipment, but they have challenges in service life and reliability due to contact arc generation and wear. These challenges become significant constraints, especially in applications requiring high-frequency operation or reduced maintenance burden. Mechanical relays and semiconductor relays each have their own features. Among them, semiconductor relays have a significant advantage in achieving long life and high reliability due to their contactless structure. In semiconductor relays, photocouplers are used for input-output isolation. The main types are photorelays with built-in MOSFETs and photovoltaic couplers that drive external MOSFETs. Photorelays have built-in MOSFETs, providing simple circuit configuration and reduced mounting space. On the other hand, due to internal chip size constraints, there are limitations for high-current applications. Photovoltaic couplers are configured to drive external MOSFETs. In particular, using the type with built-in discharge circuit eliminates the need for external resistors, enabling simplified design. This reference design uses the photovoltaic coupler TLP3906 and MOSFET TPH1R306PL. This configuration achieves low loss and highly reliable switching while ensuring design flexibility. In HVAC systems, relays are used to control fans and compressors. Control systems using conventional mechanical relays have challenges with contact wear and degradation due to vibration. The semiconductor relay configuration using photovoltaic couplers and MOSFETs achieves long life and highly reliable operation due to its contactless design. This contributes to reduced maintenance, improved overall equipment reliability, and silent operation. The TLP3906 is a photovoltaic coupler, suitable for MOSFET gate driving. With a built-in discharge circuit, it reduces external components and contributes to design simplification. The TPH1R306PL is a MOSFET that achieves both low on resistance and low loss. It is suitable for switching applications and can be used in a wide range of circuits. Replacing mechanical relays with semiconductor relays achieves extended service life and high reliability. This reference design provides implementation circuits and design information. Please use it to aid in your design.